Hello, everyone. How are you? Welcome to Seahorse Souls. This is our weekend message. Today happens to be a Saturday, and it is April 19th, 2025. How are we feeling? Right before I started, I had this ear ringing, so we're receiving a lot of activations and downloads and anchoring into these higher frequencies. Was noticing that restlessness at night, the legs, just feeling that kind of uncomfortableness when you're trying to cool down for the day. Um, a lot of reflecting. A lot of stuff is coming up to the surface. A lot of immature behavior is being revealed. Um, Ground your energies. Emotions are like there is high trigger energy for those who have not been doing this work. And I mean, you may be even being triggered because you're not grounding. You're not in your awareness that this energy is literally shaking things up. Okay, it is bringing revelations, aha moments. It is, this wind is blowing a lot today. I don't know if it's interacting with the phone. Let the wind blow this energy around. You can feel this different vibe. Okay. You can feel the resistance to change. You can see the fighting, the bickering. Those who are stuck in that karmic loop. Daisy confirming. Daisy. Hi, Mr. Bumblebee. Daisy, come here. She hasn't gone over to that corner, so it's bubbles. Hold on. Okay. So as I was getting a couple different decks, well, I was getting one deck. I was getting the Akashic Tarot, and in there was the Courageous Peony from the Starseed Oracle, and I think it's perfect. Listen. Multifaceted, unique nature. Let yourself be seen. Now listen. Flowers don't open and close according to who walks by. They embrace all of what they are and show it to the world around them. The peony does not try to compete with the cherry blossom, and the cherry blossom does not try to compete with the tulip. They own what they are and trust the timing of their true nature. You're being called to do the same. It is time to open yourself up to being seen. Time to share your incredible, multifaceted, true nature with the world around you. To uncover and reveal your soul's greatest gifts without wavering. To own your uniqueness without apology. There's a flower on this planet that holds the same qualities that your soul is ready itself to express. Let it inform you. You may have been taught that it's safer to keep your light hidden and your voice small, to hide behind the bushes instead of grow tall. The Courageous Peony is here to remind you that it is safe to embody all of who you truly are. It is safe to share your voice and let yourself be seen. At first, it may feel uncomfortable and you may be afraid of what others think, but with each passing day, it does become easier. Little by little, you realize that it draws in those who are meant for you. And experiences you have been longing for arrive at your feet. Starseed Soul Inquiry. It says, how are you being called to allow yourself to be more visible and seen in this world? So think of it. What makes you you? That's all. That's all you're being called to do, is to be you. I'm going to take the card that's by itself. 10 of Cups. Of course, look, a celebration is coming. A massive transformation is taking place right now. Like massive. A massive, massive shift. Okay? This physical body has been lit, has been vibrating, has been... like, you've been going through it. Okay? Like, allow yourself to chill. Like, be proud of you and all your hard work. Okay, this book is blinding me. Angel number 525, it says the energy of wellness, miracles, and hope is surrounding you, your loved ones, and your relationships at this time. Embrace all that is meaningful to you. What is meaningful to you? I saw that 622. Harmony and balance are being brought to your personal relationships at this time. All obstacles to love are being cleared. This little buzzing bumblebee, I think it's a carpenter bee. He's literally, I hear you, literally coming to say hello. The calendar today has a fowl. Is it behind my head? Yeah, you're like hanging out behind me. I saw his little shadow on the calendar. Hold on, Daisy. Daisy. He's my friend. Hold on. All right, on the calendar, there's this cute fowl, beautiful fowl. It says, I know I am always safe in the universe, which fully loves and supports you. Or it says supports me. I can't even read. Let's here we go, a third time trying to do this. On the calendar today, it says, I know I am always safe in the universe, which fully loves and supports me. Like every step of the way, you are supported. You are divinely supported. Okay? Keep the focus. All right? Keep your heart open. Even your heart may be even being cracked open. Okay? This energy might have you like a catty chat. What am I trying to say? Chatty Cathy? Was that right? I don't know. Just be mindful, okay? We have the Hanged Man and the Nine of Swords. Yeah, Nine of Swords. There is this need to see things differently, to release this this pain, this trauma, this karmic tie. Allow yourself to see in a different way. A lot is being released right now, okay? Remember that you are the magician. That bumblebee. And Two of Staffs. You have all the wisdom, all the knowledge within you. And like the Chariot, this is going to be fast, quick, rapid movement. Okay? Yeah, this energy is just coming right for you. We have the Queen of Staffs, the Two of Pentacles, the Moon, and the Knight of Staffs right here at the bottom of the deck. This is a rapid shift. Like, what is taking place right now, it is literally, I can't even explain it. It's divinely, like, divine intervention is taking place. Okay, let's see what this connect to nature. Okay, so this card is really cool. The Akashic records up in the air. This is basically like talking about your life and how, like, you have been on this journey of self-discovery, of rediscovery. Okay, and like, we don't know everything. We're not meant to know everything. And so this right here is like reminding you that it's important to um, not not push yourself, not force yourself, to let yourself flow. Okay, to understand that some things are hidden, some things are not meant to be known at all, ever, maybe even, um, and that, like, we're forever growing. Things are forever changing. And like, if we knew, there's that bumblebee. If we, or the carpenter bee, if we knew everything, like, what would be the point of being here? Okay? So let go of needing to know, or needing to, like, or even be right. Like, who cares about being right? Be in the moment, okay? You have got to see the child in everyone, all right? 55, please reach out if you need any love, any support. Yesterday, message ended up being so long, I had to put it into 2 messages, so I'm trying not to let today be that long. But we have 55. It says, major shifts are taking place in your finances and state of abundance. Know that opportunities to soar are coming your way now. Let's see what charms. Did you like the charms yesterday? What synchronicities are you noticing? Drop some comments below. Oh, look. We have a starfish and we have 2 owls, and they happen to be the exact same owls. Maybe this friendship, this partnership, this like carpenter bee, romantic, something, the soul family coming together, unity. You even embracing, loving all aspects of yourself. And this starfish, and that unconditional love, this feminine energy, this shine. What is your soul calling for you to move towards? And some, like, what is it? Let's get one more. The elephant. The elephants are these giant, gentle, yet fierce and ferocious, because they can charge and stomp. But they're not necessarily their nature. They are protectors. They are loyal. They're really friendly. They're actually really loving. They're not, you know, man has made them something they aren't. And so maybe kind of like you know, man has made you someone that you are not, and you are here to unravel all of that. And I say man, I mean human. Okay, I'm not saying like a man. Okay, could be a woman. You know, like whatever. It doesn't. The man and was irrelevant. We're talking about energies. Okay. Hold on. The carpenter bee, the starfish, renewal, regeneration. The carpenter bee is talking about your dedication, your hard work. I guess so many things like running in my brain. Sometimes I have to like go look myself. Be curious about um, what is close to you, uh, what you are seeing. Angel number 18, it says your angels are encouraging you to take an inventory of your past experiences in order to understand your current position and lessons. Oh, elk, nobility, celebrate your accomplishments with humility. You are crowned with success. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenge is fearless. Like there are things that have happened on your journey, like where it would have taken other people out. You have to understand and honor your strength. That frog, prosperity, let go of the past and embrace change. Opportunities are close at hand. Hop into this new day with joy. Abundance and good fortune await you. They are yours. Abundance and prosperity is already yours. We have the flicker and the finch. The flicker, new rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. And the finch, new opportunities and choices are opening to you now. Claim them. Yes. We have to get the old out the way. Okay. Let it go. Even if it's still like festering around, let it go. Release it. Tell the universe you're done with it. You're washing your hands of it. That you are ready for something new. This canary, the yellow, is catching my eye as I step forward now and sing your song. There is power in finding your voice. Hello. Are you hearing the synchronicities? Listen to life. I am attentive to the world around me. Signs and symbols guide me to success. I listen and discover the way to the eternal. One more. Everything turns to light. I work to improve myself, embrace all that life brings to me, and transform darkness into light. I allow myself to grow and become stronger. Y'all, I hope this message resonates. I really hope that you are doing well. I'm sending you so much love, so much healing love from my heart to your heart, and I will see you in the next video.